Hi guys, I'm Trevor. In today's video, we're gonna cook spam egg fried rice. Let's get started. First, we're gonna need some green onions. Here I use 3. We're gonna chop the green onions in half, and we are gonna use the stem part to cook in the beginning, and the leafy part we will use them at the end. So when you chop them, you put on the plate separately. Here we are. Just like I said earlier, we're gonna use the stem part, the white part first, and then we will use the leafy part at the end. And here is the spam we're gonna use. You can use any spam you like, but this is the one I'm using for this recipe. So in this recipe, actually we only need half of the spam. You can put the other half back in the fridge, use it for another time. First, you can cut the spam into 3. And then you cut it into 4 even pieces. And then you can cut them into small cubicles. Alright, put this aside. And then we're gonna crack 2 eggs in a bowl. And then we'll beat them. And here we have 3 cups of cooked rice. These are actually leftover cooked rice. So when you cook fried rice, it always works better with leftover cooked rice instead of freshly made ones. So here is 1 cup of frozen peas. You don't need to defrost this before cooking. And then 1 cup of sweet corns. You can also use other frozen vegetables as long as they are not leafy or chunky. One other good option will be frozen carrots. So first we're gonna cook our eggs first. In a hot pan, we will add 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. Once you add the eggs in, use your chopstick to cook it. In this way, you can break your eggs into small pieces. Also, you want to make sure your eggs are well cooked. Once your eggs are all done, put them aside. Then we will use the same pan and add another tablespoon of cooking oil. Goes in the half of the spring onion, the stem part. And then we'll add in the spams. So cook these for about 1 to 2 minutes. And you want to get a good golden brown color on your spam. Then once your spam look like this, you can add the rice in. Once we have the rice in, we're gonna add 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, and then 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce. If you don't have dark soy sauce, then you just don't add them. And then mix them well. Next, we will add our frozen vegetables in. So keep the heat on high, and we're gonna start cooking for about 5 minutes. While you're cooking, you also, stir your rice. This is what it looks like after about 5 minutes cooking on high heat. And then we're gonna add 1/8 teaspoon salt, and then we will add 1/8 teaspoon pepper. So we want to add the pepper at the end instead of the beginning, because if you add them in the beginning, the good aroma of the pepper will get lost and evaporated throughout of cooking. So after giving a few good stir, you just turn off the heat, and then after you turn off the heat, you can add the eggs in and also the other half of the green onion. And here it is. This is our spam egg fried rice, 午餐肉鸡蛋炒饭。Alright guys, thank you for watching today's video. I'll see you guys next time.